Namaste, good morning and welcome in this today's class, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well, aren't you? Okay, as well as in our previous class, what we were doing, and today we are also going to continue the same class and the same subject here. It's me Arati Khanal and I'm going to teach you English of class 7, and today here we are going to teach I am going to teach you this unit 3 locations and positions. Have you seen? You can see this unit at the page of page number 22 of your book. Please everyone go there and turn on the page number 22. It's about locations and positions. Okay, this locations and positions, here you can see I have written who, what, is, where. Especially these two words, locations and positions, especially needs the answer of who, what and where. That means who is where, what is in the room, what is in your home. Like may I ask a question like where are you sitting? Where are you sitting? Then you need to tell your position. You say I am sitting on the chair, or I am sitting on the desk. Okay, like that you can answer, or you can show your position, and you can also show the position of objects, things or a person. Okay, now here we are going to discuss about one paragraph which is about Miss Jacinta. You know Jacinta? Miss Jacinta. Have you seen? Can you tell me the spelling of Jacinta? What is that? Jacinta. Jacinta. Do you know what is this? Is this the name of place or name of person? Of course, it's the name of person. Miss Jacinta. It sounds some different like our Nepalese name, because Miss Jacinta is a foreigner. She is from Ireland. Okay, where does she come from? She comes from Ireland. That's why here this passage is about her. Okay, before going or before entering in the passage, first of all here I have found some words and their meanings I have also written here. You can see, and after reading these words meaning, that will help you to understand the passage or to understand about Miss Jacinta. See here the first word. What is here? How do you pronounce it? Iceland. Its spelling is Iceland. Iceland. What? Iceland. And it means piece of land surrounded by water. You know, piece of land which is totally surrounded by water. Is Nepal Iceland? Tell me, is Nepal Iceland? Yes, no. Nepal is not Iceland. So, Nepal is landlocked country. Iceland means surrounded by water and landlocked means surrounded by a land. You can see Nepal is surrounded by China and India. Is there any water? Is there any Iceland? No. I hope you got the meaning of Iceland. Iceland means piece of land surrounded by water. And one of the best example is our country Nepal. Second one, ocean. Spell it Ocean. Ocean. Ocean means mass of salt water. Ocean, mass of salt water. You know some name of ocean like Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, etc. You have already read about these all ocean in your social text, social book. Uh, Third one is coast. Pronounce it coast. C-O-A-S-T, coast. And its meaning is seaboard or beach. Seaboard or beach. You know, seaboard or beach means like what we say, kinara. Okay, I mean Nepali ma bhanchau ni kinara, like that. Coast, seaboard or beach. Then fourth one, volunteer. Volunteer. I think you have also worked as a volunteer in your school or in some social activities. That means unpaid assistant. It's a help. It's a help. For what? We don't need any payment. We don't get any payment. Just we help to others selflessly. That is volunteer. And its spelling VOLUNTEER, volunteer. Okay, while you are reading word meaning, then also read with spelling. Okay, it will be easy and to read and write for you. And fifth number, popular. It's a common word, popular. Spelling POPULAR, popular. And its meaning is liked by many or well known, popular. Understood? Popular. Nowadays, can you tell me which social media is popular in today's trend? Can you tell me? Is that TikTok? Yes, obviously TikTok. TikTok is popular among the people. It's a social media. And FB also, Facebook. Okay. Then number 6, visit. It's a verb. It's also noun. Visit. And its meaning is go or come to see a person or a place. You can go to observe a person. You can come to see a person or a place, that is visit. And 7th, valley. Valley. We say Kathmandu Valley, Arun Valley. What does that mean? Valley means. So valley means stretch of land between hills. Stretch of land between hills. You know, some certain place and which is totally surrounded by hills. That is valley. You know, Kathmandu Valley. Have you visited Kathmandu Valley? Okay. So valley means stretch of land between hills. And you can also see some example, Arun Valley, Kathmandu Valley, then so on. And last one I have written here from the same paragraph, that is spot. Spelling S-P-O-T, spot. Spot means place. Okay, or here we say spot, on the spot we say, at the certain place. Place or an area. Understood? So these all are the words which I have found from the same paragraph, and you can read and write the meaning of these all words. If you have found another words which is difficult for you to understand, then you can ask me and I will help you there. Okay, so how many words are here? Here are total 8 words, and these all 8 words are here with their meanings. And please read and write these all words. Now let's move on the passage. Our passage is about, you can see the passage in page number 24 of your book. Have it on? You can see page number 24, and it's about Miss Jacinta from Ireland. You know Jacinta, I already told you, it's a name of a person and it's a foreigner's name. It's not a Nepalese name. So that's why it sounds some like difference than our Nepalese name, Jacinta. Jacinta. Spelling Jacinta. Jacinta. Where does she come from? Now let's go through the passage. Okay, everyone please be ready with page number 24. Here I am going to read this passage for you and listen to me carefully. Miss Jacinta from Ireland. Ireland is an island country in Europe. It is in the Atlantic Ocean. You can see Ireland between Spain and Iceland. The United Kingdom is to the east of Ireland. The United Kingdom is between the Atlantic Ocean and the North Sea. Dublin is the capital city and the largest city of Ireland. It is on the east coast. Miss Jacinta is from Dublin in Ireland. Nowadays, she lives in Kathmandu. She is a volunteer teacher. She works for Gyanodaya Secondary School at Bafal in Kathmandu. The school is between Kalanki and Swayambhu. What is the spelling of Swayambhu? Swayambhu. Swayambhu. It is to the right on your way to Swayambhu from Kalanki inside the ring road. There is a beautiful Ganesh temple in front of the school. Miss Jacinta lives in the yellow house at the back of the temple. Miss Jacinta is a good teacher. She also knows very well how to teach students with learning disability. Do you know what is the meaning of learning disability? Learning disability means cannot learn properly. Some may have a problem of listening, reading, or seeing the words, etc. She is very popular among students. On the holidays, she likes to visit different places in Nepal. She has visited every important spot in Kathmandu but hasn't been outside the valley. So, we have read the passage about Jacinta and all of you came to know where is she from. She is from Ireland. And what does she do? She teaches in Gyanodaya Secondary School in Kathmandu Valley. And why is she popular among the students? Yes, she is popular among the students because she has a quality, or she is very well how to teach the students who are disabled to learn properly. And here she has only visited the places of Kathmandu Valley and she hasn't gone out from the Kathmandu Valley. That means she hasn't visited another places of Nepal. She just stays within the area of Kathmandu Valley. So you can also read the passage yourself, and here we are going to discuss some questions related to the passage. And here I have almost 6 questions. You can also see these all questions in your book in page number 24. Okay, so our first question is, who is Miss Jacinta? Understood? And second question, where is Ireland located in relation to Spain and Iceland? This is our second question. And third question is, where is Dublin? Dublin means the capital city of Ireland. Okay. Then fourth, where is Gyanodaya Secondary School in relation to Ring Road? Do you know Ring Road? Ring road of Kathmandu, ring road of Narayangarh. Fifth question is, why is Jacinta popular among students? Why is Jacinta popular among students? And last question is, where has Miss Jacinta not been it? Did you understand this question? What do they mean? First one, who is Miss Jacinta? You can find out the answer by reading the passage, and all of the answer of these all questions you will get in the same paragraph. And you need to, first of all, you need to read and go through the paragraph 2 or 3 times. If you read the paragraph, then you will get all the answer of these 6 questions. And our first question is, who is Miss Jacinta? Second, where is Ireland located in relation to Spain and Iceland? Where is Dublin? You know, Dublin is the capital city of Ireland. Fourth, where is Gyanodaya Secondary School in relation to Ring Road? In relation to Ring Road, you have to show the position of Gyanodaya School. Where does it locate? Or where is it located? Why is Jacinta popular among students? It's our second last question. Why is Jacinta popular among students? What's the reason? What's the reason she is well known among the students? What's the reason every student like her? You need to give a reason. And last question is here. Where has Miss Jacinta not been at? Did you get that mean? Where has Miss Jacinta not been at? Means, where has Miss Jacinta not visited? Which of the place she has visited and not visited? You have to tell. Okay? Read 2 or 3 times the same paragraph, then you will get all the answer of these questions. Okay. So everyone, did you get the answer of these 6 questions? Yes, that's good. If not, here I am going to help you. Let's see the first question. What is our first question? Who is Miss Jacinta? And the answer of this question is, Miss Jacinta is a volunteer teacher. So who is Miss Jacinta? Miss Jacinta is a volunteer teacher. It's the answer of question number 1. You can see question number 1 and its answer. And second one, what is our question? Where is Ireland located in relation to Spain and Iceland? We have to show the position of Ireland, where this is located. Okay, see answer. Ireland is between Spain and Iceland. Ireland is between Spain and Iceland. You can also see in the map. You will get there Ireland, where is Ireland, and where is Spain and Iceland and its location. So Ireland is between Spain and Iceland. And third question, what is our third question? Where is Dublin? You know Dublin, sorry. Where is Dublin? It is the capital city of Ireland. And where it is? Dublin is on the east coast of Ireland. You know, east coast of Ireland, east coast of Ireland. And fourth question, where is Gyanodaya Secondary School in relation to Ring Road. In relation to Ring Road, you have to show the position of Gyanodaya Secondary School, and its answer is Gyanodaya Secondary School is between Kalanki and Swayambhu. Have you heard this name? Kalanki and Swayambhu? Inside the Ring Road. Yes, this Kalanki and Swayambhu are inside the Ring Road. So answer of this, where is Gyanodaya Secondary School? Gyanodaya Secondary School is between Kalanki and Swayambhu inside the Ring Road. The school is between the Kalanki and Swayambhu, and it is inside the Ring Road. So see the spelling of Kalanki and Swayambhu also here. And fifth question, it's very important. Why is Jacinta popular among students? Why is Jacinta popular? Why is she well known among students? And its answer is Miss Jacinta is popular among students because she is very well how to teach students with learning disability. She is very well known or popular among the students because she is very well, means she has a knowledge how to teach with the students who has learning disabilities. Okay, that's why she is well known among the students. And last question is here, where has Miss Jacinta not been yet? That means where has Miss Jacinta been not visited? Understood? That means here answer of this question is Miss Jacinta hasn't been outside the valley yet. That means she hasn't visited any places of Nepal which is outside of valley. That means she has only visited the place inside the valley. So she hasn't been visited or she hasn't been outside the valley yet. So these all are the answer of these all questions. You can see and write. Understood? Did you get this all? Now, another exercise of your book, you can see page number 25 and it's a true false. Now you can see yourself in your book. Now I am going to tell it is wrong or right, it is true or false. Please note down in your copy or you can also tick with a pencil in your book. See, first sentence. Ireland is to the west of the United Kingdom. Ireland is to the west of the United Kingdom. Is it true or false? It's false. Where is Ireland? Ireland is to the east of the United Kingdom, not west. It's the east. That's why this sentence is false. Second, Jacinta earns money working as a teacher in Kathmandu. Is it right? She has worked there as a teacher to earn money? No. She just teaches there as a volunteer. And you know volunteer? They just help to others selflessly. They don't expect to get from others any profit or money. That's why this number B is also false. Third one, number C. Ganesh temple is between Kalanki and Swayambhu. Read the passage and tell me this is true or false. Ganesh temple is between Kalanki and Swayambhu. Absolutely this is false. Number D. The yellow house is Gyanodaya School. Is it right? Yellow house is Gyanodaya School? No. So this is also false. Yellow house is the house of Jacinta. Where does she live? And last one, Miss Jacinta has visited Monokamna in Gorkha. Is it right? What we read in the paragraph? She hasn't been outside the valley. And what is here? Miss Jacinta has visited Monokamna in Gorkha. It's completely false. It's not right. She hasn't been outside the valley yet. Understood? So these all are the question, answer and true false of the unit 3 and the paragraph of Miss Jacinta from Ireland. And I hope all of you got the question answer and the word meaning from this unit. And please read 2 or 3 times a day the same unit and you can solve all of these questions. I think this much for today, and we will meet in our next class or next video. So everyone, please stay safe and stay tuned with Great FM and Great TV. Thank you.